Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So from today let's start problems on ages. What is age? Age is defined as a period of time that a person has lived or a thing that has existed. So age is measured in months, years and decades. So here problems on ages generally consist of information of ages of two or more persons and a relation between their ages in present, future and past. So using the information, it is asked to calculate the ages of one or more persons in present, future and past. So let's start to solve the questions. By solving, you understand the concept. So here's the first question. Raju decided to marry 3 years after he gets a job. He was 17-year-old when he passed class 12th. After passing class 12th, he had completed his graduation course in 3 years and PG course in 2 years. He got the job exactly 1 year after completing his PG course. At what age will he get married? Option A 27 years, option B 26 years, option C 28, option D 23 years, option E none of this. So here the question is to find the age of Raju when he got the job. So here we got the certain information to find the age of Raju when he got the job. Here what is given? Raju decided to marry 3 years after he gets a job. Okay. Then he was 17-year-old when he passed class 12th. Okay. Just add his ages. He was 17 years old when he passed class 12. After passing class 12, he had completed his graduation course in 3 years. So his age will be increased by 3 years by the completion of his degree course, right? And PG course in 2 years. And 2 years is increased by the completion of PG. He got the job exactly 1 year after completing his PG course. He got the job after completion of his PG. Okay. After 1 year by the completion of PG, he got job. Okay. So when he got job now, after completing of PG, even after 1 year, he got his job. So when you sum this, you get 23 years. This is the age of Raju when he got job. Clear? And in the question it is given that Raju decided to marry 3 years after he gets a job. After 3 years he decided to marry. So here the question is to find the age when he get married. Right? So 23 plus 3 years because he decided to marry after 3 years when he got the job. So 23 plus 3, 26 years. Option B. Second question. A father is 9 times as old as his son and the mother is 8 times as old as the son. The sum of the father's age and mother's age is 51 years. What is the age of son? Option A 7 years, option B 5 years, option C 4 years and option D 3 years. The father is 9 times as old as his son. Let the son age be X. Because son age is not given, let us consider the son age be X. Here in the question it is given that a father is 9 times as old as his son. So father age is 9x because he is 9 times as old as his son X. Clear? And the mother is 8 times as old as the son. Mother is 8 times as old as his son. Right? Now the sum of father's age and mother age is 51 years. Father plus mother age. Sum of father and mother age is 51. Father age is 9x plus 8x is equals to 51. 9x plus 8x is 17x. Right? Is equals to 51. 51 by 17 is equals to 3. So, what is the age of the son? 3 years. Option D. Third question. A father's age is 3 times the sum of the ages of his 2 children. But 20 years hence, his age will be equal to the sum of their ages. Then the father age is option A 30 years, option B 40 years, option C 35 years, option D 45, and option E none of these options. Okay, the father age is 3 times the sum of the ages of his 2 children. He has 2 children, A and B. Okay, children A and B. Sum of age of A and B, Bx. Let us consider the sum of the age of child A and child B, Bx. Okay, but 20 years hence his age will be equal to the sum of their ages. Here in the question it is given that a father age is 3 times. Let father be Y. Okay, let father be Y. Father age is 3 times the sum of the ages of his 2 children. What is the sum of the ages of his 2 children? X. But father age is 3 times the sum of age of his 2 children. So father age is 3x and the 2 children, sum of 2 children age is x. Okay. Now, but 20 years hence means after 20 years. Okay, hence, if hence is given, 20 years hence means after 20 years. Okay, his age will be equal to the sum of their ages. Father age is equals to the sum of their ages. Clear? After 20 years, father age is equals to the sum of ages of his 2 children. See, why I have taken 2 times 20 means here x is sum of age of 2 children. So here there are 2 children. 20 years after means A is also increased by 20 years and B is also increased by 20 years, right? So 20 plus 20. 3x plus 20 is equals to x plus 40. 2x is equals to 20. X is 10. So age of one child is 10. Then what is father's age? Father's age is 3x, right? 3 into 10. That is 30 years. Option A. Now, fourth question. The ratio of Smita age to her mother is 3:7 respectively, and the difference in their ages is 32 years. What will be the ratio of their ages 4 years hence? 4 years hence means after 4 years, right? Option A 4:19, option B 5:14, option C 3:20, option D 7:15, option E 3:8. The ratio of Smita age and her mother. Smita age and her mother age is 3/7, 3x by 7x. Okay, and the difference in their ages, difference because mother age is more, right? So 7x minus 3x is equals to 32 years. Okay, 7x minus 3x is 4x, 32, x is 8, right? Now we got x. 3x is, now what is Smita age? 8 3s are 24, 7 8s are 56. This is the present age of Smita and her mother. Okay, here the question is to find the ratio of their ages after 4 years. So plus 4 plus 4, that is 28 by 60. 2 1s, 2 4s, 2 3s are 2 7, 2 15. 7:15 is the age of Smita and her mother after 4 years. So after 4 years, 7:15 ratio would be the age of Smita and her mother. Option D. Clear?